Hello friends, welcome you back. Now we are going to discuss question number 10. CD and GH are respectively the bisector of angle ACB and angle EGF such that D and H lie on side AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG respectively. If triangle ABC and triangle FEG are similar, so that part three parts are there. Okay, CD and GH are respectively the bisector of angle ACB. So here you can see CD is the bisector of angle ACB. That means angle 2 equal to angle 1. Okay, and GH is also here. You can see GH. Oh, this line. Sorry, GH is also is the angle bisector of angle G. That means angle 4 is equal to angle 3. Okay, then also it is given that triangle ABC and triangle FEG are similar. ABC triangle, that means this big triangle, ABC triangle, and FEG triangle, this triangle are also similar. That means, okay, that means we'll go to the next section. Okay, so first we have to prove this CD by GH equal to AC by AG. CD by GH equal to AC by AG. Where is CD? CD. It is this. CD by GH equal to AC by FG. AC by FG. FG. Basically, you can see these two CD GH and AC FG are in between these two triangles. Triangle GHF and triangle CFA. Isn't it? So, we have to make these two triangles similar. So, let's start. Okay. So, it is given that triangle ABC and triangle FEG, this big triangle, triangle ABC and triangle FEG are similar. Therefore, angle A will be equal to angle F, angle A is equal to angle F, angle B equal to angle E, angle B is equal to angle E, angle ACB, that is angle ACB, ACB, this angle. Okay, na? Angle ACB equal to angle FEG, sorry, FGE, this angle. Okay, so they are same. Since it is given, that the CD and GH are the angle bisector. That means angle 1 equal to angle 2 and angle 3 equal to angle 4. I have told it earlier. Okay. As they are angle bisector, therefore angle ACD, that means angle 2 you can write also. Angle ACD is equal to angle FGH. Angle FGH, this angle. So these two angles are equal, and previously it was given that angle A equal to angle F, isn't it? Angle A equal to angle F. Now you can see here angle 2 equal to angle 4, angle A equal to angle F. Therefore, these two triangles must be similar. Oh, triangle ADF and triangle FHG are similar, and the similarity criterion is angle similarity criteria. Okay, na? This is what we have written here. In between these two triangles, angle A equal to angle F. I will told that angle A equal to angle F. Angle ACD equal to angle FGH. Angle ACD, this angle 2 is equal to FGH, angle 4. Therefore, these two triangles must be similar. Triangle ACD and triangle FGH. Triangle ACD and triangle FGH. This was what the I question was. So, we have proved the first part. Now, we will move to the second part. Second part is saying, so triangle DCB is similar to triangle HG, DCB, let's see in the figure. There is triangle figure DCB. DCB, where is it? DCB, this one. DCB. This triangle is similar to HGE. This triangle. Okay, here also you know that angle 3 is equal to angle 1, isn't it? Why? Because DC and GH at the angle bisector, you can write angle 1. Sorry, once again. You can write in between triangle BCDS, BCD and triangle EGH, angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle BDC is equal to angle EHG. Okay na? Therefore triangle BCD, sorry, similarity symbol. Okay, I'll erase it. Will be similar to triangle BCD, BCD EGH, EGH. Okay na? Hence proof. This is what we have to prove, and you can write angle similarity criterion. Okay, delete it. Now we'll move to the third part. Third part is saying so the triangle DCA and triangle HGA are similar. Where is triangle DCA? You can see DCA, DCA, this triangle DCA triangle, and triangle HGF, triangle, this triangle. These two triangles are similar. This is already being proved. Okay, we'll prove it again. In between these two triangles, angle ACD, you can see angle ACD, this angle, angle 2. ACD is equal to angle FGH, angle 4, this one. This is already proved because CD and GH are the angle bisectors, isn't it? And then previously angle C was equal to angle G, and the angle bisectors will also be or the bisected angle will also be equal. Again, angle A equal to angle F. Angle A is equal to angle F. Why? That's given because triangle ABC was similar to triangle FEG. Now you see two angles of one triangle. This triangle is equal to corresponding two angles of this another triangle. Therefore, these two triangles, so triangle DCA will be similar to triangle HGF, isn't it? Okay. So this similarity criterion is angle similarity criterion.